Blessed love, and welcome to Irie Kin, where we grow naturally, live consciously, and give thanks for every potent fruit. Today we are diving into a living testimony of nature's power. Store-bought tomatoes reborn from scraps, now thriving in our humble pot garden. These weren't fancy seeds from a grow shop. Nah, these were the seeds from a tomato I cooked. Just imagine. What most people throw away, we turned into food. Life and sustainability. Six strong tomato plants. You can see the tall, proud. Yeah, and now they're in the flowering stage. You can imagine. Brethren and sisters, in the abundance of life and the little things we overlook. That right there, a little miracle, a sign that even store-bought mass-produced produce still carries the spark of creation.